Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. We decided to spend a few days in Derbyshire and do some cycling, and the weather is fog, and we're doing the Manifold Valley. Another place we could bring our van. You got a good eater. Shut the gate. There we go. Get back on. We just stopped at Fume End, which is as far as we're going this end of the cycle route. The cafe is not really open, but we were lucky. The lady let us in and have coffee and cake. There's a private party going on, or will be going on, but she said we could come in, which was great. And the toilets are open. It's a very, very misty day, and we feel a bit warmer now. Now we had a coffee and cake. What's this? It's a bit slippy. What are you doing? Right, here we go. It went from under me. I couldn't get up right. That's a bit dodgy. Nearly fell off. It's not a mountain bike, it's a road bike we've got. We're in what? Shropshire? Sorry? Staffordshire. It's the bridge. Must be just on the borders though. Borders. What borders are the High Peak? Sorry? It's not the High Peak, it's just Peak District. This is Wetton Mill, isn't it? Yeah. Just found a bag of tent pegs sitting on the wall. Ah. Ew. Yeah. Oh, it's a lovely old bridge. Right, shall we carry on then? This is where I'm going to fall off. Just going to approach that lovely old bridge, and I'm holding the camera so it's going to fall off. Weak bridge. James right over there in the distance. Look at the water if I can. Just about to see it there. Right, let's put the bike to one side. Looking over the wall. Oh yeah. Heading towards Thors cave now on the bikes, and you can see how well wrapped up I am. You can see my breath. It's pretty cold. Nobody much about today. I don't know whether you could see in that hill or lump of rock there's a cave called Thors Cave. Isn't it supposed to be bears or something? How you doing over there? You look frozen.
Alright.
Yeah. Shall we cycle to the sign?
Yeah.
It's still there so I can read it. I know we can see it, you just about see it there. Thors Cave in the Peak District National Park. So now we're in the Peak District. So one end was in where?
Staffordshire.
Staffordshire, and this end's in Peak District. Yeah, it says Staffordshire County Council.
Yeah. So not all the peak is in Derbyshire.
Not all the peaks in Derbyshire, right. Thors Cave been formed over thousands of years by the effect of water and wind.
It's the site of a Bronze Age burial.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, was it? I've only had a coffee and a cake. And there's a bear.
Yeah, they found deer and bear bones
Gosh,
in the area.
Thors Cave.
Yeah.
The name may be a corruption of Thors, meaning hills, and some people think it comes from the word Thor, the Norse god of thunder. The rocks are limestone formed from layers of dead marine animals between 280 and 360 million years ago.
No water in this bit.
Isn't there? Many of the caves have been used by humans and animals for shelter. Bones of giant red deer and bears have been found in the area, and Thors cave itself was the site of a Bronze Age burial. Some artefacts are displayed in a nearby museum. Imagine the scene 20,000 years ago when such beasts roamed the Peak District. The pathway runs through the Manifold Valley is actually the route of the Leek Manifold Light Railway. There was a station at Thors Cave which was popular for tourists. Today the area is popular with walkers and cyclists like us. The area around Thors Cave is a special place for plants and animals. The woodlands have been a local source of cough-pitched hazel. Woodland management allows sunlight to reach the woodland floor, which means wildflowers, rare butterflies, and brown argus, and dark green fritillaries. And Jane's on the bridge. Remember when we were in Scotland and it was the brown argus butterfly? They've got them here. We thought it was Angus, so. Oh wow, look at the green on that tree. Actually it's dry here, so that means the river's gone underground.
I think there's people in the cave.
Yeah. You seen people up there?
No, but I heard a girl's voice.
Yeah. Gosh, it is dry. Let's have a walk across the bridge. Yeah. We found a few bits and pieces, didn't we, when we were looking? I can't think what we found. Was it pottery or something? Yeah. Put the camera back on. I can see. The camera batteries are going to die because of the cold. Yeah. I don't know what the time is, do you?
No.
1 o'clock, something like that. Look at the green on that. And there's a cave, just see it at the top. Because this is about as far as we're going.
Yeah, I'm going any further because it gets a bit boring.
You could go a bit more if you want.
No, I don't.
You want to go back now? Gosh, it looks strange seeing it so dry, doesn't it? That way. It is muddy, but yeah. Yeah, it's too slippery to go up there in our cycling shoes. Yeah. That's where that gentleman was taken ill, wasn't he, up there?
Woman, I don't know how many times she ran up and down.
Yeah.
She's older than us, wasn't she?
Yeah. There's no phone contact.
She was
And
so thick.
And the ambulance, where did the ambulance
Yeah, the ambulance came.
managed to get up the top somewhere? Yeah.
Somebody at Wetton Mill.
Yeah, they phoned from there, didn't they?
I think it was alright.
Yeah, it was very low blood pressure, wasn't it? Something. Yeah. Probably just done too much walking.
Yeah.
Anyway, the batteries are just about holding up on the camera. So what are we going to do now? Go back to the mill, unload get rid of the bikes, and then have something to eat, do you think?
I don't know, whatever we feel like on the day.
Yeah.
We don't want to leave it too late to get back because we've got quite a long way to drive.
Well,
Not very good weather, is
no, it's not brilliant.
coming back in the dark.
I'm glad I've got my gloves on.
Yeah.
I think
my hands are warm actually, because when we
Yeah.
set off, my hands were getting cold. The
Yeah,
weather it's got a bit warmer.
yeah.
I don't feel cold.
Hmm?
Do you feel cold?
My feet, my toes get a bit cold.
Yeah. I feel
These
alright
are not
at the
very
moment.
thick, these. I should have put another pair of socks on.
Yeah, but I don't want to do. I think that's when you get cold and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, brown almonds.
Yeah,
I've seen them.
yeah. It's spitting with rain.
Here we
Right,
go.
it's spitting with rain. Yeah. Yeah. Waterfall. Back at the car. And it's raining. Nice welcome sight to the castle here. Right, raining. Get demist on the window. Okay, go behind. Yeah. I think we go that way, don't we?
Yeah, through the tunnel. I don't have to go back round you then.
No.
I remember that as being horrific.
After 80 yards, turn right.
After being through Devon and Cornwall, it didn't seem so impressive, did it?
No.